Ever wonder how sharp bettors consistently win? It's not luck, it's data. And with DigiFantasy, you can replicate that strategy using three powerful tools. The optimizer gives you the starting point by spotting where DFS props don't line up with sportbooks ads. Then you check the scores tools to confirm whether player stats and projections back up the play. Finally, you layer in the middling tool to minimize your downside by playing both sides where the line gives you room. This combination means you're not just betting one angle, you're stacking edges. That's how you create sleeps that hold up over time, instead of burning out chasing parlays. Want to use all three tools in your own strategy? Sign up for the DigiFantasy bundle through the link in my description and start building stronger sleeps today.